Civil Defense from the Eastern Province has sounded the danger alarm siren. Do not panic and pay attention to this EAS alarm. In the June of 17th, 2003, a child has been abducted. Civil Defense soldiers will find the person who done this. In the meantime, stay tuned, stay calm, and stay where you are. The person who done this is under the name of a Japanese general from 1945. He found a way to live even longer and has a lot more experience than the average soldier. Caution, the general can end our lives. Repeat, this general can end our lives. The general has a nuke that can do twice as damage as a Chernobyl disaster. This has enough power to spread radiation everywhere, making our planet uninhabitable. Soldiers, if you are seeing this, beware and help our country and the world. May God be with you.
System capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities.